Well, now let us study about the types of immune system. Okay, types of immune system. Now, immune system, it is of two different types, and the two types are humoral immune system HIS and cell mediated immune system CMIS. Okay, now another name for humoral immune system it is antibody mediated immune system. So another name for humoral immune system is what? It is antibody mediated immune system. Okay, so immune system, it is of two different types, and the two different types are what? Humoral immune system, that is his HIS. Another name for it is antibody mediated immune system, which is called AMIS, and the other type of immune system is called cell mediated immune system, that is CMIS. Okay, now what is HIS or AMIS? Okay, so this HIS or AMIS, it is that kind of immune system which is made up of a kind of cell, a kind of WBC, which is called B lymphocytes. Okay, so his or AMIS, it is that kind of immune system that is made up of a kind of WBC which is called B lymphocytes. Okay, so you know already that the WBCs are of five kinds. You know it. What are those WBCs? The first one is what? Neutrophils. Second one is basophils. The third one is what? Is the acidophils. The fourth one is monocytes, and the fifth one is lymphocytes. Okay, so his or AMIS is made up of which kind of WBC? B lymphocytes. And the CMIS, cell mediated immune system, it is made up of which kind of lymphocyte? It is made up of T lymphocytes. Okay, so remember, his or AMIS, it is that kind of immune system made up of B lymphocytes, and cell mediated immune system, that is CMIS, it is made up of which kind of immune system? T lymphocytes. Okay, now this his or AMIS, it defends our body, or it protects our body against bacteria and viruses. So it protects our body from bacteria and viruses. Bacteria and viruses, okay, that infect our body. So if bacteria, some kind of harmful bacteria, if any kind of virus enters inside our body, then they get destroyed, they get killed by his or AMIS. Is it clear? And especially you have to remember that they usually enter where? They usually entered into the body fluids. So if in the body, in our body fluids, if in our blood, in our lymph, the bacteria, harmful bacteria, the viruses enter, then they easily get destroyed, they easily get killed by what? By his or AMIS. Okay, whereas on the other hand, what you find that the cell mediated immunity will protect our body not only from bacteria and viruses, but they will also protect us from fungi and protists. So they will protect us not only from bacteria and viruses, but they will also protect us from fungi as well as protists. Protists means what? Protozoan germs that invade the host cells. Now the difference you see here, humoral means what? Humoral means body fluid. Body fluid. So when the germs enter inside our body fluid, when the bacteria, viruses enter inside our body fluid, then they get killed by His or AMIS. Is it clear? But here what you find, when the germs enter inside our cells, here is a body fluid, here will be the cells, body cells. So when the germs enter inside the body cells, then those germs, they get killed by the CMIS, cell mediated immune system. Is it clear? And what you find is that in case of the cell mediated immune system, not only bacteria and viruses they are killed, but even fungi and protists, they can be killed by the CMIS. Is it clear or not? So what do you find? That CMIS, it is much more stronger than the AMIS. Is it clear or not? Now another point is that His or AMIS, they do not react against transplanted tissue and cancer cells. So now try to remember nicely, this is very, very important point. The His or AMIS, they do not react against transplants and the cancer cells. Is it clear? Now transplants, for example, if a person, a patient is transplanted with a heart, another heart from from outside is transplanted into a patient. Okay, now this His or AMIS cannot do anything. They cannot attack the transplanted organ. Even the cancer cells cannot be destroyed by His or AMIS. So very, very important, remember, transplanted organs, the cancer cells cannot be destroyed by His or AMIS. But here in case of the cell mediated immunity, this kind of immunity, they act against the transplanted organ and also against the cancer cells. Is it clear? So if a person is being transplanted with an organ, say kidney, heart, then what the CMIS will do? It is very active immune system. So this CMIS will try to attack the transplanted organ. Is it clear? So CMIS is very active, so it will try to destroy that transplanted organ. Okay, so for this reason, a patient who is being transplanted with an organ, they are given what? They are given a kind of chemical substance in the body which is called immunosuppressants. Immunosuppressants. Okay, so what do you mean by immunosuppressants? Immunosuppressants, these are kind of chemicals that are injected into the body of a person who is being transplanted. Why? What this immunosuppressant, what this chemical is going to do? This chemical, it is going to suppress, it is going to inactivate the CMIS. It is going to inactivate cell mediated immune system. So when this will be inactivated, then as a result, what will happen? The transplanted organ will remain in the body of the patient, or else the transplanted organ will be destroyed. Is it clear? Moreover, Another point of the cell mediated immune system is what? That cell mediated immune system, it can react against cancer cells. So this is also very, very important, that the cell mediated immune system can destroy the cancer cells if it is produced inside our body. Is it clear or not? So cell mediated immune system, they can attack what? Transplanted organs as well as the cancer cells. But the humoral immune system, or AMIS, it cannot attack the transplanted organ or the cancer cells. Okay, so I hope you have understood about this. So humoral immune system, cell mediated immune system, very, very important immune system of course.